Hello bachcho. The question is which of the following orders are correct as for the properties mentioned against each? First one is AS2O3 has less acidity than SiO2 then P2O3 then SO2, and then ASS3 has less basic enthalpy of vaporization order in arsenic trihydride is ASS3 then PS3 then NS3, and more negative electron gain enthalpy, that is negative electron gain enthalpy is less in sulfur than oxygen then chlorine, and fluorine has highest. And thermal stability, if we go for S2O is the highest, then after it has lower H2S then H2AC then H2T. This is the question. So in order to solve the questions, let's do the answer accordingly. So first of all, if we look towards AS2O3, P2O3, SO2, SiO2, here there is a thing that more the electronegativity difference, more the electronegativity difference, more will be acidic character. More will be acidic character. Okay. सो इलेक्ट्रोनेगेटिविटी जब बढ़ता है तो आपका एसिडिक कैरेक्टर भी बढ़ने लगता है. बट व्हाट इज द थिंग दैट on groove if we move from top to bottom along groove, top to bottom along groove, the acidic strength of acidic nature generally decreases, and when we move from left to right, the acidic character increases. Okay, so when we move from left to right along period, the acidic character increases, and when we move from top to bottom, the acidic character decreases. So what would be the order of this thing? If we look towards silicon, phosphorus and sulfur, all are present in same period, and arsenic is present in the next period, that is silicon, phosphorus and sulfur are present in third period, whereas arsenic is present in the fourth period below phosphorus. So if I write it as phosphorus, silicon, then sulfur, and below phosphorus there is arsenic. So on the periodically this is the actually arrangement. So if we go for the acidic strength of the oxide, then the least acidic will be AH2O3 as it is present in the fourth period. So least acidic is AH2O3. Okay, then SiO2, yes, further P2O3, yes, then SO2. So as we move from left to right, the acidic strength increases. That means option number A is correct. So which of the following orders are correct? So we have to identify not one answer but also the other answers, is they are correct or not. Let's move towards the second question. It has been given that hydrides, so nitrogen, phosphorus, arsenic, both are present in same group, and when we move from top to bottom, what happens? Generally the hydrogen bond remains, or the tendency of hydrogen bond becomes weaker. So here we can say nitrogen has hydrogen bond, whereas phosphorus has weak hydrogen bond, or we can say the hydrogen bond is very low and no hydrogen bond in arsenic hydrides. That's why the enthalpy of vaporization will be highest in NS3, then PS3, then SS3. That is option number B is the right answer. But there is a thing that although phosphorus and arsenic, phosphorus do not contain any hydrogen bond. I'm sorry, that phosphorus does not contain any hydrogen bond. So as phosphorus do not contain any hydrogen bond, there is a question that what about the series? So if we can say that phosphorus has higher enthalpy of evaporation as compared to arsenic, but no, because it has less van der Waals bonding. It has less van der Waals bonding, whereas arsenic has more van der Waals bonding. That's why it exists in wax like solid. Okay, so it exists in wax like solid. whereas phosphorus do not. So we can say that the hydrides, the enthalpy of hydride is most highest in ammonia, then arsenic hydride, then after we will go towards pH3. Okay, so this is the order, whereas option number B is the wrong. Then comes to option number C, that more electron gain enthalpy. We know that if we move from left to right along period, the electron gain enthalpy, negative value of electron gain enthalpy generally increases. So negative electron gain enthalpy increases. So accordingly, sulfur has lowest, then oxygen, then fluorine. And if we move from top to bottom, then the electron gain enthalpy decreases. But there is an exceptional case found that fluorine has lowest electron gain enthalpy as compared to chlorine. Okay, so fluorine has lowest electron gain enthalpy as compared to chlorine. Why it happens so? एक्चुअली अगर हम देखेंगे कि क्लोरीन और फ्लोरीन के बीच क्लोरीन का इलेक्ट्रॉन गेन एंथैल्पी कम होना चाहिए और फ्लोरीन का ज़्यादा हो जाना चाहिए, क्योंकि फ्लोरीन ऊपर है और क्लोरीन नीचे है। लेकिन क्या होता है कि क्लोरीन का ज़्यादा हो जाता है और फ्लोरीन का कम हो जाता है। क्यों? क्योंकि क्लोरीन का एटॉमिक साइज वैसे कम होता है, फ्लोरीन का एटॉमिक साइज कम हो जाता है और क्लोरीन का बड़ा हो जाता है। तो यहाँ पर जब इलेक्ट्रॉन जब आते हैं तो यहाँ पर इलेक्ट्रॉन बहुत छोटा साइज हो जाने की वजह से कंपैक्ट नेचर रह जाता है। सो इलेक्ट्रॉन्स आर अरेंज्ड इन ए कंपैक्ट साइज और कंपैक्ट शेप। एज अ रिजल्ट द कमिंग इलेक्ट्रॉन फील्स मोर रिपल्सन। सो कमिंग इलेक्ट्रॉन फील्स मोर रिपल्सन। तो जो इलेक्ट्रॉन आ रहा है वो ज़्यादा रिपल्सन फील कर रहा है, और हमें पता है कि जितना ज़्यादा अट्रैक्शन होगा उतना उसका नेगेटिव इलेक्ट्रॉन एफिनिटी होगा। सो इसलिए इसका इलेक्ट्रॉन एफिनिटी, नेगेटिव इलेक्ट्रॉन एफिनिटी कम हो जाता है और इसका ज़्यादा हो जाता है क्लोरीन का। सो द आंसर इज सल्फर, देन ऑक्सीजन, देन फ्लोरीन, देन क्लोरीन, विच इज गिवन इन रॉन्ग ऑर्डर, दैट sulfur, then oxygen, then chlorine, then fluorine. So option number C is incorrect. Next we move to D option. So let's erase the things what we have read here. Okay, this is your SO2. Next, if we move to last question, that is last option, thermal stability, H2O, H2S, H2AC, H2T. So H2O has hydrogen bond, H2O has hydrogen bond due to more electronegativity, and H2S has less hydrogen bond. Then H2AC, H2T, they don't have any hybridization, they don't have any bond, as well as more the size, less will be the bond enthalpy or bond dissociation energy. So more the size of the atom, more the atomic size, less will be bond dissociation energy, और bond dissociation energy अगर कम हो जाता है तो इसका थर्मल स्टेबिलिटी क्या हो जाता है, कम हो जाता है। सो इसीलिए क्योंकि हम कम एनर्जी देने से उसको तोड़ सकते हैं। सो द बॉन्ड थर्मल स्टेबिलिटी इज हाईएस्ट इन H2O, then H2S, then H2AC, then H2T. So option number D is the correct one. So we got the answer, that is option number A and option number D are the right answer in these questions. I hope you might have understood the concept of this question. Thank you and all the best.